Apple has really outdone itself this time. The iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus come with the all-new A18 chip, which is not just faster but also more power efficient. This means smoother performance and longer battery life. Perfect for gaming and multitasking. Now, let's talk about the camera. The iPhone 16 series features a 48-megapixel fusion camera with a new vertical design. This allows you to capture stunning spatial photos and videos. Plus, the new camera control button makes it super easy to adjust settings on the fly. For those looking for something more advanced, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max take it up a notch. With a triple camera system, including a 5x telephoto lens, you can take professional quality photos right from your pocket. And let's not forget about style. The iPhone 16 series comes in 5 bold colors: black, white, pink, teal, and ultramarine. You can choose one that fits your personality perfectly. Now, let's talk about pricing. The iPhone 16 starts at 79,900 rupees, while the Plus is priced at 89,900 rupees. The Pro models start at 1,19,900 rupees for the Pro and 1,44,900 rupees for the Pro Max. Pre-orders begin on September 13th and they'll be available in stores starting September 20th. So, which model are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest tech. Thanks for watching Fast Oz.